హలో ఎవ్రీవన్ వెరీ గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్ వెల్కమ్ టు విదాత్రి. ఈరోజు లైవ్ సెషన్లో మనం బ్యూటిఫుల్ బెనారసీ విత్ పైథానీ బార్డర్ సారీస్ చూసేద్దాం. చాలా బ్యూటిఫుల్ ఉన్నాయి కలెక్షన్స్ అండ్ కలర్స్ ఆర్ ఆల్సో సో ప్రిటీ. ఐఎమ్ షూర్ యూ విల్ డెఫినెట్లీ లవ్ ఆల్ ద కలర్స్. ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ కలర్ కూడా చాలా యూనిక్గా చక్కగా ఉంది. డూ స్టే ఆన్ ద లైవ్ అండ్ వాచ్ ద లైవ్ ఫుల్లీ. You will find your favorite saree, that's for sure. And this is the number you need to order on. Be quick, have the phones in your hands and book your favorite saree immediately. The number is 7396382067 and that's the number you need to order on. And when veskune saree kuda meeku nachinatlaithe, you can just take the screenshot and message to our team and they will assist you with the further more details. Let's begin the live. The Banarasi sarees with Paithani borders. Colors are so beautiful today. అండ్ మనకి విధాత్రిలో సేల్ జరుగుతుంది, ముగ్ధావారి సేల్. ఇట్స్ ఫ్రమ్ 26, దట్ ఈస్ టుమారో. రేపటి నుంచి 31st దాకా. యూ కెన్ జస్ట్ విజిట్ అవర్ స్టోర్ అండ్ ఎక్స్ప్లోర్ ద కలెక్షన్స్ అండ్ వీఆర్ గివింగ్ అప్ టు 30% ఆఫ్ ఆన్ ఆల్ ద కలెక్షన్స్ ఓవర్ హియర్. యూ కెన్ జస్ట్ గెట్ యువర్ ఫేవరెట్. దిస్ ఇస్ లైట్ పింక్ విత్ లైట్ గ్రీన్ కలర్ border. So the border is the Paithani border andi, which is having a floral jal on it, and the body of the saree is having tiny butties which is on a light pink color. Such a lovely color. So this falls under a pastel group. This is the pallu, such a beautiful one, which is on a green color and with colorful florals on it, looking very awesome. And for this we have got the blouse with a check pattern, which is with a golden weave. The color combination is so beautiful. Don't miss out the saree. And this saree is priced at 9,299. These are the pure Banarasi sarees with Paithani border collection. This is one more lovely color, light green with sea green color border, and you can see the colorful floral jal and the silver color khadi border running on either sides. And the body of the saree is having floral butties, which is in the silver color running throughout. This is the pallu, which is the sea green color, and colorful florals ochindi manki pallu lo. You can see the difference. And for this we have got the blouse. So this is the blouse pattern with self-embossed designs. Such a lovely color. You can just take the screenshot. And the saree is priced at 9,299. The best part of today's live is all the beautiful color sarees only. The colors are so pretty and the collections are also very lightweight. This is light peach with grey color border. Such a lovely one, and you can see the floral jal on it. And two thin borders running on either sides, which is with the silver lining. And here is the pallu with a colorful designer on it, which is the florals, grey color with florals. And here is the blouse, which is having a self-embossed pattern and beautiful design on it. You can just take the screenshot of your favorite saree and message to our team for orders. And the saree is priced at 9,299. You can even comment down your favorite color saree in the comment section such that our team will get back to you. This is light sandal color with pink color border. So pink is a baby pink color and you can see the floral jal on it, which is a Paithani border, and the body of the saree is having golden color butties running throughout. Such a lovely color combination. Don't miss out this color. This is the pallu with beautiful brocade patterns on it, which is on a pink color. And here's the blouse. So the blouse comes with check pattern, such a lovely color with golden weave, and the saree is priced at 9,299. And the next color, this is iliac color, such a beautiful one with grey color border. So the bottom border is a little bigger when compared to the other side. Maniki border lo you can see the colorful floral jal on it, which is a Paithani border. And body of the saree motam kuda manaki silver color motifs vastundi, which is a perfect color combination. And this is the pallu, which is having the florals on it on a grey color pattern. Iliac color is always everyone's favorite, isn't it? So please hurry up and book it as soon as possible. And this is grey color with check pattern. Manam short sleeves kuda kuttinchukochu. And this saree is priced at 9,299. Please to take the screenshot of the number board which is right beside me such that you can order your favorite saree. This is yellow with pink color combination, one of the bright color, so it's for everyone. So this color is one of the attractive one which gives you a glow up. And manki border lo kuda manchi designer ustundi, such a beautiful designer border, which is a Paithani border running on either sides. This is the pallu with colorful florals on it. You can see the look, so pretty and beautiful. And the blouse comes with the check patterns again with a golden weave. Perfect combination again, and the saree is priced at 9,299. This is one of my favorite color, dark green, bottleneck green with pink color border. Such a beautiful contrast. You can see the combination, so beautiful, and the saree texture is also so light and weight. And border kuda manki floral jal ostundi, which is colorful, and the paithani border, and body of the saree is having tiny butties running throughout. Lovely color. Do take the screenshot and message to our team for orders. And this is with the pink color and brocade patterns on it, which is colorful. And we have got the blouse with a check pattern design, such a lovely one. You can team up till the elbows and go with some chokers. This saree is priced at 9,299. Today's collections are almost everything below 10,000. This is light sandal with red color border. So these sarees are like trendy sarees only, which suits for any type of occasion, even for the traditional or any sort of functions. And manki border kuda bottom lo pedda border ustundi. We have some color options in this type of designer. You can contact our team for that. These are the Banarasi with Paithani border sarees. This is the pallu with a combination of red and the blouse. So blouse is also pretty with self-embossed design, and this is how you can team up. Go till short sleeves like this, and you can team up with chokers. This is priced at 9,299. We'll move on with the next color. This is pista green. Such a lovely color, suits for everyone, isn't it? Such a light pastel color, and border kuda manki blue color combination tho vachindi, which is with silver border running on either sides. And body of the saree is having the florals, which is a silver color weave, and this is the pallu. It's a perfect contrast with colorful florals on it, which is on a blue color. Please do take the screenshot of your favorite saree and message to our team for orders. And this is the blouse. Such a lovely combination, and the saree is priced at 9,299. Almost all the sarees today are 9,299. This is ravishing red. Such attractive color with green color border. Very beautiful, and manki border lo kuda manchi floral jal ostundi, which is very colorful pattern. And the body of the saree is having tiny butties. We have some color options again, same in this type of designer. You can contact our team for that, or you can even comment down. And this is the pallu with a contrast color, which is a green, and the blouse. So the blouse comes with a little difference in the shade of a green. This is how you can team up. Go with the short sleeves, and the saree is priced at 9,299. Such a lovely color, everyone's favorite. Light blue with light pink color combination. So rare color only, we don't find it often. So hurry up and book your favorite saree. And this is the saree, which is having the silver color butties running throughout the body and the floral jal on it, which is a paithani border running on either sides. The color is so beautiful. And this is the pallu, which is a pink color, light baby pink. Finishing kuda chala chakkaga undi with a silver weave. So silver weave sarees are always the prettiest. And this is the blouse with self-embossed pattern and beautiful designer. This saree is priced at 9,299. In the next one, this is a mixed shade of light green with grey, different color, and border which is pink color ostundi, which is having the florals on it. It's a floral jal border with golden color, and the body of the saree is having tiny butties, which is with a golden color. Such a lovely one. And this is the pallu, which is pink color and having beautiful designs on it, which is in a bigger pattern. For this we have got the blouse, the contrast color with checks on it. This is how you can team up. This suits very well for all the age groups, and the saree is priced at 9,299. Today all the sarees are at the same price. Light pink with light green color combination. So we have few color options in this type of saree. You can contact our team for that, and the number is 73963820067. And body of the saree వచ్చేసరికి మనకి florals వస్తుంది, which is a silver color and the paithani border with silver weave and colorful florals on it. Such a lovely one. Do take the screenshot and message to our team for orders. This is the pallu, which is a green color, looking very pretty. And for this we have got the blouse with self-embossed design. Such a lovely one, and this is how you can team up. This saree is priced at 9299. The next one, this is maroon with brown color combination or different shade. Border which is a green color border, which is having the colorful florals on it, and the body of the saree is having tiny leaf patterns running throughout. Such a lovely color combination. And this is the pallu, which is on a dark green color. You can notice the detailing. Saree kuda chala soft and lightweight. These are the organza with paithani border, and this is the blouse. This saree is priced at 9,199. Few more colors are there, very pretty. This is very light orange color, which falls under a pastel group. Border which is a sea blue color combination, and the floral jewel running on either sides, which is a very light color, and the body of the saree is having tiny butties. So the silver linings are the prettiest honey. And this is the pallu, so pretty with light intricate pattern, and the blouse. So blouse comes with the checks, and this is how you can pair up. This saree is priced at 9,299. And the next color, the dark color combination. So this color is for everyone who loves dark colors. This color is very bright and elegant. Border kuda manki red color border with floral jala on it and a golden color combination. And body of the saree vachesariki tiny leaf pattern ostundi. So you can observe the detailing. It's so pure and elegant. And this is the pallu, which is a contrast color. And the blouse comes with the checks. This is the pattern, and this is how you can team up. You can pair up with beautiful jewelry, and saree is priced at 9,299. We'll move on with the next color. This is light lemon yellow with grey color border. Such a lovely color combination. Body of the saree vachesariki manki tiny motifs vastundi, which is with the silver color, and border kuda manki grey color border, which is having a floral jala on it. So the bottom border vachesi manki koncham peddaga vastundi than the other side, so it looks elegant when you pleat it up. This is the pallu, which is having the floral designs on it, the colorful prints. So blouse vachesariki grey color blouse vastundi. This is how you can team up. Lovely one. And the saree is priced at 9,299. We'll move on with the next color. This looks like a traditional kind. The light peach color with purple color border. So body of the saree vachesariki manaki very light check pattern vastundi with the golden lines, and the border is with golden zari. Such a lovely color combination. Do take the screenshot and message to our team for orders. And this is the pallu with the contrast finish, and the blouse. So it's a purple color blouse, very traditional, and this is how you can team up. This saree is priced at 7,500. And this is one more beautiful color, very subtle color, light ice blue with pink color border, the baby pink color border with a floral jala on it, running on either sides. And body of the saree is having tiny florals, which is with the silver weave. And this is the pallu, which is on a pink color. Beautiful color. Both are the light color combinations. And this is the blouse with self-embossed pattern. Do take the screenshot for orders. And the saree is priced at 9,299. And the last one for today, from the collection of beautiful organza with paithani borders. This is a different border, it's a kadi border, and the body of the saree is having tiny checks. We have two colors in this type of saree, so hurry up and book your favorite. And the border is having the golden color weave, such a lovely one. Color contrast kuda chaala chakkaga undi, both the colors. This is the pallu with a golden color combination, very beautiful. And here is the blouse. So blouse kuda manaki manchi kadi border to checks to vastundi. This is how you can team up. This saree is priced at 7,500. And yes, that's all for today from the collection of lovely sarees which are the organza with Paithani borders. Chala chakkaga unnai, each and every color too. You can just go through the IGTV again once we save it. Find your favorite and do take the screenshot and message to our team for orders. We are shipping worldwide and the number is 7396382067. And manaki Vidhatrilo Mugdha Vari sale jarutundi. Up to 30% off on all the collections over here. You can visit our store, which is Vidhatri Shopping Mall, PVP Lane, Vijayawada. And again, we'll be back tomorrow with another beautiful range of collections. Till then, good night.